Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. It's Otonu Betal with you. Right now I like to discuss about a topic, and it is deliquescent substance or salts. And when it is means deliquescence occur at a maximum rate, I like to discuss about this topic. So watch this video till the end because you can understand the full topic of deliquescence and deliquescent substance. Now before starting the discussion regarding this topic, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it right now. Now we start the discussions regarding this topic. The topic is deliquescent substance or salts. You know, some salts like calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, this type of salts when are kept in air, what will happen? This sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, this type of salts when kept in air in a beaker or in any container, if we take this substance and keep in air for few days, what will happen? A solution is formed. This substance form the solution. Okay, what happens? This deliquescent substance or salts continually absorb moisture from air, means water vapor, continually absorb moisture from air and ultimately get dissolved in the moisture and become a and forms a solution. So deliquescent substance means this one, the substance or salts that are when kept in air, they continually absorb moisture and ultimately forms a solution. And this type of substances are called deliquescent substances, and the phenomenon of absorbing moisture and get dissolved in it, means forming the solution of their own. This phenomenon is known as the deliquescence, and the substance that are forming the own solution in when kept in air are called deliquescent substance or salts. Some examples of this deliquescent substance or salts are like, you know, I am writing in the board that you are seeing calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, anhydrous ferric chloride, anhydrous sodium hydroxide and anhydrous potassium hydroxide. When this substance, this type of substances, other examples are also present, some other examples. We are talking about a few examples here. These salts or these substances when are kept in air for a few days or for a few hours, what happens? This substance forms their own solution. So this is the means descriptions or the definition of deliquescent substance. There are examples of deliquescent substance. Now the question is that when these deliquescence occur at a maximum rate, you can find the maximum deliquescence when the atmosphere is humid, humidity of the atmosphere is high, and humid atmosphere favor the deliquescence, and when the temperature of the atmosphere is low, that time temperature is low, it will favor the more deliquescence. So these are the main two conditions for maximum deliquescence. One condition is when the temperature is low of the atmosphere, and the atmosphere is humid. In humid atmosphere, this deliquescence occurs at a higher rate. So these two are the favorable conditions for deliquescence. So this is about the deliquescent substance, examples and the conditions that are required for deliquescence. And I think you understand this topic well. If you have any question regarding this topic, then you ask me what is your doubt or question. I would answer your question. And for now it is finished, and I would come back with this type of another video. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video is important, or you are learning something, then you can like this video lecture and subscribe this channel.